Here's one thing you do not want to see in front of your washers. And I got a couple out of orders. Water. And it's not just little water, it's all the water. And what we think is going on is we have these, see that suds? These pipes are overflowing. This is one of them. I'm sure the other one is too. They're traps like this, and they got a clamp. That's called Fernco. And that Fernco, you unclamp it, you can undo this, and then that's your stack going down, that's your vent. Well, that's kind of what they look like in there. But I think some of them, these traps are completely plugged. It's been about a year or two since they've been cleaned, and I think there's a bunch of stuff in them, because I had this problem down the line. I did one, now I need to do the rest. But I was told that I need to be more positive. So today, I'm looking at this like an indoor water feature. This is not a mess. This is a great add-on for your customers. Now your customers can come in, their kids can play in the water while their parents do the laundry. So this is what positive. I'm trying to stay positive. This is a great thing. This is not bad. So if you have this in your laundromat, you're on top, you're on fire. Because people said I'm not positive enough. So today, this is positive. Okay? That's an indoor water feature we got for free. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these apart. I think that's the one leaking. I think the one right behind this top loader is actually leaking too. I'm gonna clean the first 4 machines, and then I'm gonna do the next set. Once I get the computers in here in a couple days, I'll do the next set. And I gotta shop vac this all up. I know what you're thinking. You're like, God, there's gotta be a floor drain in this island, and I can't see it anywhere, but underneath here, there is a floor drain. I wanna say it's in the middle. But you see all that garbage that gets behind your washers? Look at all this. I mean, this is, you can't get it all. It gets shoved under your machines, thrown. So once a year you need to clean this up. Yeah, this has been done a year ago and it's already like this. There's some quarters. So see, that's what's happening. So I'm pretty sure that's the pipe or the pipe next to it. So I'm on the right track here. So let's get this pulled apart. Here's one I've taken off. And this is what it looks like. I mean, it gets that in there, and down here I'm sure that's pretty much full all the way. So let's get this cleaned out. I try to film this as I do it one-handed. Now this is heavy. I don't know if you can see, that thing is plumb half full. That's what's causing our problem, all that. And then all that. It's crazy how it builds up, but that's soap. Detergent, soap, softener, garbage. Not a lot. I guess I got rid of most of it. I'm glad you guys could be here for the positive stuff. Because I would surely, I got mud on the lens, guys. Alright, I think you can see now. I'm sure you're glad you're here for the positive stuff. Because I would hate to bring it along just for the negative. Yeah, definitely positive. I'm putting everything in the way. You missed it. I splashed myself in the face. I'm wearing gloves, but I still got the crap in my eyes. So I'll probably have gangrene or Agent Orange, or I might even get monkeypox from this job. People ask me during the pandemic, were you ever worried? No, not when I'm dealing with this every other day. I really don't worry about too much. I got a pretty good immune system, I think. Put that bucket of crap there. All right, we gotta sweep this up. Chunks of stuff. Somebody's lunch over here. I mean, why would you actually slope your floor towards the floor drain? 70-year-old laundromats, I swear they never thought of things, or maybe they didn't use levels back then. Maybe it's just something we use nowadays. it's taken. Well, that was double nasty. I think it struck pay dirt. Water's going down. Create a vortex here. And knock the bypass plug out. This should drain all this for us now. This floor drains all junk. This whole island has to have all these pipes redone. All the way back. Drain lines, everything. Well, it helped a little bit. I think it's keeping up now. We'll see. Oh, what a mess. I needed a bath. Bad. There she goes. Well, we got them all back. Now what I gotta do is I'm running them to see if they pump water out, but they're all hooked back up. What's weird is I plugged one of the electronic ones in and it died. The newer computer boards are very touchy, sensitive. I have two of them like that, one down there and then this one. So I'm not sure why that happens on those. But we'll see if the water backs up. Hopefully not.